Yeah, just confirm all persons were being located safe on board, yeah? Cambridge LB, that's all copied, many thanks. Rescue 175, break, Sterling Coast Guard, Rescue 175. Rescue 175, Sterling Coast Guard, over. Sterling Coast Guard, Rescue 175, just communicated with Cambridge LB, occupants are safe and well. They are now helping to assist with the recovery of the boat. Requesting intentions, over. Rescue 175, this is Sterling Coast Guard. Roger, if you could just stand by, I'll confirm with Cambridge LB this is the same identity. Over. Sterling Coast Guard, Roger, copied. Rescue 175, we're standing by in the location. Cambridge LB, this is Sterling Coast Guard, over. Cambridge LB, this is Sterling Coast Guard. Apologies, I was talking to the harbour master. I believe you're with the vessel, 2 persons on board. I have a informant's name or casualty name of Luke. Are you able to confirm if it's the same vessel? Over. Cambridge LB, this is Sterling Coast Guard. Roger. Many thanks for your assistance. We'll wait your sit rep. Sterling Coast Guard out. Rescue 175, Sterling Coast Guard, over. Sterling Coast Guard for Rescue 175, go ahead, sir. Rescue 175, Sterling Coast Guard, many thanks for your assistance. With that confirmation, happy for you to turn to base, over. Sterling Coast Guard, Rescue 175, Roger, confirms the down from task and now RTB. Roger, silent out.